Hi guys, welcome back to Anyway Tech Review. We will talk about how to download Windows 11. Literally, Windows 11 is a new operating system. I used Windows 11 first time and I share a video about it and some features about it. I didn't know the old features, so I just share what I know at the time. So, these are the three methods to get Windows 11. One is Windows 11 installation method, installation assistance. As you all know, that's the best option, and Microsoft and I also use installation assistance to get Windows 11. So I must have a Windows 10 version 2004 or higher to install this on the one this choice assistance. However, this application does not really work in Windows 11. So I can show you if you want to. But if you want, you can try using the software, but it will not operate. See, that's shut down automatically. It doesn't work on Windows 11 once you get Windows 11. The software will stop working. Any of the maybe this is the most best option that you can easily get it get the update by simply putting the test then Windows 11 get it downloaded and once you get installed once you done all the work it will restart your computer. It will restart several times obviously like the all over Windows 10 updates and Windows 10 feature updates also. Windows future Windows 11 feature updates will be the same. It will keep restarting maybe about 4 or 5 times or 1 to 5 times. I don't know. I must be aware of how many times and while do it do the installation. As shown on the common back screen, it's not a back blue screen in Windows 11. Windows 10 is a blue screen, Windows 11 is back screen. So next thing option is the Windows 11 media. If you have a CD or USB or just want to use the iOS mode or within the same computer, that's another option, a good option. Literally, if you are using iOS mode like Diamond tools and all, this is software to help you activate the Diamond version. But actually, Windows 10 still have the feature where you can literally get the CD version within the cloud using any of these softwares. Just simply you can install Windows 11. Although that all these features works with your activated if your computer is supported with Windows 11, you can use any of the features. Now in the case of DS ISO, ISO features is more risky unless you have already tried. It's really the Windows 11 setup or Windows 10 7 Windows 11 setup. Unlike assistance, here you can do some work in media tool also with iOS literally, and here also you get ISO. And in both options, you have not now notice there is a setup. But in the assistant, they literally not set up. They'll do all the work on its own, and based on everything will be done. Also, easy for you also. It will be more easy and convenient because there's no setup or nothing to put, and also there's no any problems or there isn't barely any problem. I'm not really aware of any complaint about problems. But if I use more than the media tools, both uses iOS version. It's kind of risky. But if you're using the media tools, if you're trying to use the USB, maybe it's okay, but again risky unless your computer can read USB. It's good news. Otherwise, I have no idea. So literally we put here, we put English, and then enable to download the code. Clicking download button, and then they will ask you what options. More download option. Click here. Here you can put English version. You can put confirm. Confirm. Sorry, is it English and confirm? And it's really it's going on now to create a link. Verify downloads and something like that, and you get it. Yeah, I don't know how to use this service, but here you can see for download. You can download from here. Anyways, I already have enough stuff, no need for me. So if you have, it will always get the date for some Windows 7. Okay, don't worry about that. Windows 7 get piece update every year, only one time every year. So thanks for watching. I take you. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe and comment and share.